Hey, it's Betsy from As We Go RV, and we bought another gadget thing, and we're gonna see what's in the box. It's a box inside the box, and what goes inside what's inside the box.
So far it looks like what we ordered.
Yep. So what we ordered, complete with a filter wrench, was the iSpring water filter. So inside the box, this is basically just the unboxing video, you have the trusty iSpring filter housing with its spigot, an adapter, and a little thing that goes on the faucet with the little switch or lever, because the install is supposed to be really simple. Base housing, cap and spout, wrench, tubing, diverter valve, that's what it's called, it's a diverter valve. And the basic directions. So everything's in the box. It should be pretty simple install. We're gonna put it together. Gonna follow the directions. It says living well. It says step 1, select a position for the filter. It's gotta be on something flat, like the countertop, and we figured out we're going to stick it in the back corner of the sink, so that should work pretty good. And then it says install the filter cartridge. Come little filter housing. Comes with the filter wrench, did not need it to initially install. Voila. Let's see. Place filter with the black carbon side. Black carbon side pointing down. Oh, it's got shrink wrap on it. Yep, that peels right off. Okay. Black side down, top on, and tightening is typically enough. It says you can hand tighten, that's typically enough, so that's what I'm going to do.
Well, we have reduced pressure inside anyway, so yeah.
Then connecting the tubing and the diverter valve to the faucet.